What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. On today's episode, we do a full teardown of that 2018 Camaro SS 1LE. Now that has an LT1, so it does not have forged pistons or rods from the factory like an LT4. The customer is doing our stage 5 package, which is a Pro Charger F1A 94, and he wants to turn up the boost. I don't blame him, I would too. So for that means we have to do a forged piston and rod. He's also doing our cam package, meth, fuel system, clutch, everything, basically everything. And we do a full time lapse of all of that in today's episode. For you guys that like the in-depth technical stuff, this is the episode for you, so stay tuned. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been asking questions about the ZR1 and what exactly broke and what's the status of it. We actually just got the trans and diff back from RPM Transmission, so big thank you to them. Let's actually just go right over to it, show you what broke, and then we'll get the rest of the episode started. So a little C7 ZR1 update. We did get the trans and diff back from RPM Transmissions. It was not in the diff, it was in the trans. Matt's gonna show us what it was, because I do not know.
You know what it's called, Steve?
It's called a gizmo.
The planetary.
Yeah, the planetary. I'm not gonna sit there and act like I know what the inner part of transmissions are. So that's what broke. And now it's gonna get back together. We could basically just reverse time lapse the one from before.
Yeah.
I'm not doing a whole nother one of it going back in. Matt's starting on his big project.
I'm thinking I want to drop the cradle, trans motor, everything.
Well, because we're doing pistons in this, and you're doing a clutch, right?
Piston, rods, and a clutch. So that
Fuel system as well.
fuel, meth, Pro Charger, pistons, rods.
I don't have enough hands or fingers.
Yeah, I don't have enough days.
It's gonna be a lengthy project. We're gonna be working on this for a couple weeks for sure. Matt's got everything disconnected here. Now he's gonna, you're what, lifting the car over it?
Yep.
Okay.
And the trans, so if you just want to keep an eye up front. There you go.
You're good.
How's this thing feel sturdy-wise?
Pretty damn good.
Yeah, there's still a ton of weight. What? Yeah, dude, this is sick. Still gonna be a ton of work just getting the motor off the cradle, but.
Reminds me
on the stand? Matt?
I don't know yet. I mean, that was my idea.
Reminds me of those dudes that sell like full part outs and they like strip the whole trans,
Yeah.
gas tank, everything, and they have the ECU and they just start it up on a pallet.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the body on pole jacks and then on the jack or locks. So I'll put the locks and then put the pole jacks under the body.
Yeah, so it doesn't lean back.
It's 100% not going anywhere, but
That's not going.
Just for insurance. Well, there you go. Gotta do it for the gram. Everybody give Matt a follow. His Instagram's right here. Matt RPM.
maybe I will throw this one on the gram.
Throw it on the gram. Do it for the gram. You don't post anything, that's the problem.
Dude, I try to, okay? I have a
Are
life.
you still private?
Yes. I don't know how to change it.
That's another dude, I don't follow private thing. Dude.
Take it. Fix it.
Alright, give it to me.
Well, Matt don't around. Told you, he's ready to do it right there. Alright, not bad. So going back in tomorrow then.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Yeah, a whole day cutting rings.
It'd take me a half day to just to have the motor on that thing.
Bullshit. Got this thing apart by lunchtime.
So it's all done in the spacing bolt-ons?
Yeah, Bill said it's got an AFE intake.
Yep, you see that, headers.
Yeah, he thinks Corsa headers and Corsa exhaust.
It doesn't sound that loud for the Corsa.
Does it have headers on it?
Yeah. You can see them.
I think an 11.6 pound.
Alright, let's stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think someone was playing with it before.
Oh, really?
Certain things were changed in there, yeah. Certain things were not stock. Other things that they should have changed were stock. So.
Okay. All the valve springs are done?
Yep, I just got done torquing the heads.
Nice. I'm assuming ARP, all that good stuff. Yep.
Yep.
Are you gonna end up putting the headers on and then putting it through or no?
Yeah.
Are you? Okay. Be a little tighter fit, not too bad.
Nah, I'm trying to decide. I think I'll put the blower bracket in on.
Yeah. You have to do you gotta do a pulley and too, don't you? Like the Pro Charger.
Yeah, I'll have to put the Pro Charger pulley on. I'll probably put the bracket on. I'm not gonna put the head unit on though, because that won't go up through.
No. Moving up his push rods. Just the tip, see how they feel. Hand built with care by Matthew.
I should get a little
Placard.
tags made.
Yeah. Nah.
Glue them to the front of the motor like everybody else.
You can just like sign it. Sign the valley cover or something. It's kind of K-Tech, just use like a paint pen.
Maybe I will.
Alright, I guess we will go back to time lapse.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't care. Whatever you like.
Alright, we'll go back to time lapse. Well, there she is. Hell of a job, Matthew.
What if she doesn't want to associate as a she?
Oh, Jesus, Bill. You don't know what kind of parts she has. Well, I know what kind of parts this has, so
Yes.
we're going with this. It's
No,
a
you
she.
don't.
Yes, it has everything.
Just put mods and you just put everything.
Yeah. So pistons, rods are done, clutch is done, headers are done, valve springs are done, stock heads, cam is done, lower's done.
Valve covers on.
Valve covers on.
Yep.
Matt taped them up so they don't get messed up. You still got.
Turbocharger, fuel system, meth system.
Okay.
What he said.
Yeah.
Look at us. We're on top of things.
This we talk is getting a little.
Yo, I covered like half of that stuff.
Good.
I mean,
looks good.
We literally documented everything through time lapse. So, from going apart, going back together. So we are gonna have to end her there.
Uh-oh.
Well,
Until next week.
until next week.
Cut it out.
Oh, all right, Danny Tanner.
So Danny, that was
Joey.
Joey. Yeah,
Joey. All
Joey.
right. Sorry. Still full house. I'm with it.
Yeah.
We'll follow up with Matt on the next episode for the ProCharger meth and fuel system. But AC system going back together. Don't they have a relocate for that anyways for the ProCharger kit on these? For that bracket. What's
Yeah.
the filter sits like right here.
I guess we're just gonna keep rocking the small filter like we've been doing.
Turbo screens for the win.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess. What Sledgehammer's car doesn't have valve cover, right?
No.
Nah,
Yeah,
the
it's
valve
mainly
covers are
those
the problem.
the coil relocation bracket with the.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can put the fuel pressure regulator anywhere. I mean, I like putting it where I do, but
Yeah, so
it's
the
really the
ProCharger sits here, and then the filter, it's tight with the relocation,
So you put a little
fuel
thing on.
regulator, all that good stuff.
Hey, motor's in.
Good job. Okay. You don't know about that.
I have no idea what you're doing with your camera right now.
It's a skateboarding thing back in the day. So when you're filming skateboarding, you used to film on tapes and you would have to upload it to the computer. And a lot of people still do. And you're filming tricks over and over and over again. So what happens is you never know really what part someone's landing in. So you're fast forwarding the tape. And when you see the hand that's on the playback, you know that was the trick. So there you go.
Learn something new every day. I didn't want to know.
Engines in, shots in,
hand signals.
done.
And signals. Yeah, I got one for you.
That's, whoa, inappropriate, Bill. Censored.